Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a photo with Nano Banana. And the first thing I want you to do is just come here to gemini.google.com. You'll be able to use Gemini 2.5 a flash image right here. Use this one and then you click on tools, click on create images, okay? Then you're basically using Nano Banana. I'll give you some example prompts. It excels at making edits using natural language prompts, right? You just describe it like you would to a person. I'll give you some example prompts. So let me go ahead and open up this one right here. We'll do a simple scene change. Okay. So we'll use this one. Place me in a futuristic neon Tokyo street at night, cinematic lighting. Right. And the more you describe it, the better it will do the job. So we'll come here and we need to upload an image. So you can add files. You can, of course, drag and drop as well. So let me open this up. Let's use this image, right? So I'll go ahead and minimize this one a little. Take the image and drag it here to Gemini. Put in the prompt. Of course, you can type it in. And I'll leave these prompts in the description. You can go and use them. And then just come here and click on submit. And usually in a few seconds, it will go ahead and do the edit for you. You can do a lot of other things as well. Let me show you. So here you can do a stylized change. You can change the background to anything you want, right? A whimsical watercolor painting of a forest. You can even do product shots, right? You just upload your product photo. Let's say it's a sunglasses, and you just put this on a clean, minimalist wooden desk with soft window light, anything like that. Even a coffee mug. There you go. Look at that. It looks very, very realistic, right? As you can see, high quality, and you can use any prompt. Just describe it using the natural language model. And that is how to edit a photo with Nano Banana.